Hurricane season not over. In fact, not even close. We're at the peak right now. This is normally when we see all the activity happen, and boy, we are seeing a lot of activity. 3 named storms right now: Jose, Maria, and Lee. 2 of them tropical storms. 1 of them, Jose, is a hurricane. And we're not going to talk about Lee, and we're not just ignoring it because it's coming here. We're ignoring it because it's not. It's just going to stay out in the Atlantic, and for time's sakes, we're not going to talk about that one. It's not going to bother any land mass at all. Maria, however, a different story, getting a little bit better organized. It doesn't look too much like it on the satellite, but if you look real close, this middle part starting to get a little bit brighter there, so maybe a little bit of an inner core forming to this. These are the early stages of it, as it is just a tropical storm right now with 50-mile-per-hour winds. Expected to strengthen into a Cat 2 before it moves over the islands, and then possibly a major hurricane by time it gets to the Virgin Islands and or Puerto Rico, and then heads over that. And even in the Hurricane Center's discussion, they allude to the fact that it is totally possible, all the ingredients are there, that this could have rapid intensification, and it could even become a Cat 5 again and be much stronger than what's forecast here. So definitely all areas in the islands here, take note of this, and if you have family and friends there, get a hold of them. We have watches and warnings up. Tropical storm watch to the south and hurricane warning to the north. These will all spread westward along the islands here over the next couple of days. Now, the spaghetti models, pretty good agreement going through the islands. Look at how tightly clustered they all are as they move up and then up towards Puerto Rico. You see them make it through Martinique there, St. Lucia just to the south, and Dominica, and then moving over towards Puerto Rico there, a Cat 3 right over the island of Puerto Rico. That would not be good. Let's hope it's more to the north or to the south. This one we look at here because it includes the European. It's TVCN. It's a consensus model. It takes all the models together and blends them, so it's a blend of the models, and it actually goes to the north. The Hurricane Center forecast a little bit to the south. But again, we don't want to concentrate on any individual line. It's the wide spread of the cone there where the center could be. So it could be up here, it could be down here, or anywhere. After that is a big question mark. We just don't know right now if it's going to continue on its west-northwest track or curve out to sea. Right now the early indications are curve out to sea, but if you remember, Irma was kind of the same way. So nothing to panic about right now. We just keep in mind that by next weekend here, that's when it may be in this area anywhere in here, and we're talking Wednesday over Puerto Rico and maybe Tuesday just getting into the Caribbean. Jose's out there too, and we will see some effects from Jose, but not directly. We could see some strong tropical storm force winds up into New England there. That may slow down things there. What we're going to see are large swells. They've already arrived in some areas, and we have a small small craft advisory going, small craft advisory for the next several days, not because of choppy waves, but because of a longer period groundswell. High surf advisory too, dangerous in the water unless you're an experienced surfer. All right, and I just wanted to mention Lee here. If you wanted to see it, there's the track. It dies on out. It's in the middle of the Atlantic, and it's not going to bother anybody out there.